Meet the backpack that looks like it belongs in a first-class lounge, the Maverick&Co Explorer Light. This is my first review for this brand and it claims to be lightweight, premium and perfect for business and travel or business class travel. But is it actually smart and functional or is it just good looking? So today I'm gonna show you all the features. I'm also gonna do a quick test pack and we will see if it can actually compete with my favorite travel backpacks. So let's find out. And if you are new here, I am Vicky from Nonstop Travel VV. I love to review everything travel related. And of course, I love traveling light. I love traveling with only a backpack. That being said, this one is probably the smallest one of all my backpacks that I've ever reviewed, and there are of course pros and cons to that. Obviously you really need to be a minimalist and you cannot fit a huge amount of things if you use this as your only travel bag. But it is super light because it is so small and it's gonna be really comfortable wearing this. And of course I will test its comfort in the end once it's packed. Okay, let me show you how I unboxed it and my very first impression. Oh my god, it is so pretty. It's probably the nicest dust bag from any backpack that I've ever seen. So far, very promising. And it also came with a card. It just tells you how to take care of your backpack. And it says thank you. And now, beautiful quality, I have to say. So I will definitely keep this. All right. This feels like Christmas. Wow. All right. And it says, if you wish to return me, please keep me on the bag. But I'm not gonna return this one because I'm already loving it. Oh my god, so it's not only really good looking, it's also really cute because it is a bit smaller than all my other backpacks, which is exactly what I wanted. And I wanted a backpack that also works for those super strict low-cost airlines. And this is actually the size that even works for airlines like Ryanair, like those super strict ones. So I think for 99%, if not 100% of all airlines, this is the perfect personal item size. So let's see how much we can actually fit into it. But first, let's go through all the compartments. Obviously, I did not have a sneak peek because I literally just unboxed it. So let's explore together. This Explorer Light Backpack, it comes in black and in blue. I chose the black one because I thought, always stylish, it will work with everything and it will go with my black suitcase as well because yes, it has the strap here in the back so you can put it on top of your suitcase handles. All right, so let's start right here at the front compartment, the top front compartment, because we've got two. Still some fillers in there. There you have it, a really good size front compartment, which I think would fit a phone perfectly. Let's see. Easy. So if you want to put your phone there so that you always know where it is and don't have to dig for it, this would work perfectly fine. Then we've got the luggage tag and it is, oh, it's such nice quality. It feels really nice too. Of course, you can take that off if you don't want that here, but I think actually it looks very nice. All right, so this is the top compartment. The bottom outside compartment. Very good size. A lot would fit into here and also it would be easy to find if it's not in your main compartment. And by the way, it looks like leather, but it's actually vegan leather, which is what I personally prefer. I think it makes it easier to just wipe it off and also it makes it waterproof. All right, and I'm really, really curious about this zipper here. Where does it take us? Ooh, a very big compartment here as well. All right, I just got my passport out. Let's see if it fits a passport. Yes, perfect fit for a passport. There you have it. All right, so that wraps up the front compartments. What do we have on the side? We've got the Maverick sign here. And on the other side, there is something. Aha, perfect. You can put a small water bottle here, but it's very discreet as well. So if you don't want to bring a water bottle, Like it doesn't look like a travel backpack or anything. So it's like very discreet. You just open the zipper and then it has like a stretchy compartment here for a small water bottle. So you cannot bring a massive one because I mean this is a small backpack as well. So everything has to be small. And I'm wondering, I'm seeing a zipper here in the back. Do we have a hidden back compartment? That would be awesome. There is some. Yes, we do. Oh my God. Oh, this is. Oh my God, this is so cool. All right, so this is so hidden. It's actually hard to show you guys. So under the strap here, there is a zipper, and this compartment goes in really deep, all the way. Let's see. It's a bit hard to get in there because it's quite tight, but this is the perfect hidden compartment. So if you're worried about your passport, this might be a really good spot. And if you carry the backpack on your back, really no one can ever get to that. And even if it sits on top of your suitcase, I mean, if this is closed up, it is really hard to get into there. Plus, nobody would ever know that there's a zipper compartment. So that is something that I absolutely love and I did not expect. And now, without further ado, let's get into the main compartment. So it opens halfway down. And then, still the plastic in there. Oh, wow. Okay, amazing. So we do have quite a lot of space considering how small and flat the backpack is. So I think it would easily fit one packing cube in here. And then we've got a compartment here for maybe smaller things, tech items. Then we've got 2 pen compartments. I love it, which is very important because pens, oh my God, it's so hard to find them when they're like somewhere in the middle of your bag. But there you will always know where your pens are. And then like another smaller compartment here. And, of course, a laptop compartment, protected by a Velcro so that it doesn't wobble around. And it says on the website it fits a 16-inch laptop. Let's see, because it looks small. Let's see if my laptop fits. All right, the moment of truth. Does it fit? Yes, it does, just. So, I mean, I guess 16 would be a bit of a squeeze, but my 15-inch laptop definitely fits and there is a little bit of room on the side. So if they say that 16-inch fits in there, I do believe them. But yes, it would be a bit tight, but 15-inch easily. So I think this wraps up the backpack tour. It is very minimalistic, but it has everything that you need, especially if you use this as a personal item in addition to a carry-on item, because it would easily fit under the seat in front of you. And I mean, you would definitely always look the part with this one. Let me see if it stands by itself. Yes. Overall, just a really great choice as a personal item backpack. All right, so this is everything that I would like to fit into this backpack. Let's see if it is possible. So first of all, I will put all my clothes into one compression packing cube. So I think this is essential with a small backpack like this. So here we've got 2 pairs of socks, 2 pairs of undies, short pajamas, so those are the shorts. And we don't really roll them or anything, so it's best to just put them flat in here. Then here's the pajama top, shorts, a t-shirt with a bee on it, and a light sweater. All this fits easily into the compression packing cube. So then we compress it with the additional zipper here. There you have it, everything in one compression packing cube, and we will start packing this backpack by putting this one compression packing cube right in here. Yes, oh my God, it fits actually really easily. You could probably even add workout clothes and maybe 2 more t-shirts in there. And you can probably even bring flip-flops or thongs, as we call them here in Australia, and put them here on top. So there is actually even more space. I underestimated this small backpack. A lot fits in here. Then, of course, my laptop will go in here, in the back. Nice, that was easy. Then I always bring a scarf because it does get cold on planes, so I will just place that here on top. Easy. And of course my toiletries. Samples, hand cream, lipstick, mascara, concealer, all the good stuff. It will easily fit here on top. And I mean, if you want to go even more minimalistic, just bring a Ziploc bag. Weighs nothing and still you can fit all your things and nothing will spill. So that's actually the best way to do it. All right, and now we're zipping this up. It is such a nice backpack, and I mean, there is so much in there already. Let's put more in there. Let's put that in the bottom compartment because it's a little bit bigger, so that fits easily. Then of course I always bring disinfectant wipes to wipe everything around me on my seat when I sit down on the plane. That fits easily in here. I think the passports will go into that super hidden compartment, but then again, when you go through security and when you need to have it out all the time, it's probably more handy to put it out here. But then when you like walk through a new city or go to your hotel, it might be a good idea to just put it in the hidden compartment in the back. Headphones, I think I will put them here in the bottom compartment. There's still space. And my sunnies will go in here as well. Easy. There you have it. And it doesn't look bulky at all, even though there is quite a lot in there. All the essentials are in there and it is still super light, which I like. Of course, my phone would go in here as well. I'm just testing now if the phone could go where the water bottle goes. I actually quite like that because then when I carry my backpack and I want to grab my phone to film something, that's usually why I have to grab my phone, it is very quick and easy to get out of here. Of course, you can bring a small water bottle, you can put anything in here, even a small foldable umbrella would go in here. But personally, I think I would just use this for my phone and then just like grab it whenever I need it. All right, so now let's see how comfortable it is. All right, the moment of truth. Let's see how it feels. Honestly, I prefer having a smaller backpack and not a massive backpack on my back as my personal item. Let's see, what does it look like? As usual, we will ask Editing Vicky if it looks good, because I can't see right now, but I can tell you, oh my God, it feels really light and it is really comfortable because it is so small and it's not bulky, so the weight is all against your back. And my MacBook is actually really, really heavy and I'm not feeling it at all. So I'm really impressed with Maverick&Co. I love it. I mean, it is a very good looking backpack. It is small and it really is the perfect personal item sized backpack, even for those super strict airlines. All right, here's my rating. 4.5 star tortoises out of 5. So if I had to fault it, the water bottle compartment is on the smaller side and we don't have a sternum strap, but then again, it is so light and it is a small backpack, so that's actually fine too. Does it have a lot of compartments? No, it's more of a minimalist backpack, but I mean, again, it has that hidden compartment here, which is absolutely awesome. So yes, welcome Explorer Lights to my huge backpack collection. I love it and I will definitely get a lot of use out of that. And of course, you guys, if you want one too, can't blame you. There is a link down there in the video description. I will also put a QR code up here and I will try to get the best discount code for you guys, and it will all be down there in the description, so please have a look, check it out. Let me know in the comments what you think about this backpack and Maverick&Co. Do you already have a Maverick&Co backpack? Please let me know, because this is my first one, so maybe if there are other backpacks from Maverick&Co that you would like me to review, let me know in the comments and I will see what I can do. But for now, this is it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more review videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!